aggressive. Our people, oh my goodness. So this is the post from this northerner. And the writer from A Mega Gift is what I'm going to show you now. This is the man that was telling everybody that Simon Ekpa, not only him, Citizen Observer and rest of them, that Simon Ekpa, our land is coming, that the blood in our land is just like what Ada Isosha is doing as well. Once, like what Ada is doing now, God forbid if she succeed to silence CS or push her away, she will start complaining about what's happening in her land in a low key. Now the key is very high, right? Once you hear the sound of her voice, now they think that give this one a chance. She will never tolerate this nonsense going on. CS is just misacting. What she's doing is just nothing. Give her a chance now. She have what it takes. There's education is not everything. You can see the way she talk. She's very vocal. She's not fear. She's fearless. The lion lady. You said that CS is a lioness. This one is iron lady. She can do and undo. What men can do, women can do better. Give her the chance. If you give her the chance, that shouting and complaining about claim going on the land, we would not win down. That is what they do, because the intention is not to fight for your freedom, but to make sure they use what they see as opportunity to enrich themselves and to build themselves. Now here is a mega gift. This to tell you that they know everything they're doing. He said, "Hello, Maazi China Sanwo-Olu, real IPB DOS as CA Dozemu. If anything happens, warning. If anything happens to any Igbo man in the north, in the north, okay, in the north, just underline that word, in the north. If anything happens to any Igbo man in the north, then IPB must profit the opportunity to end Nigeria by making sure we reciprocate adequately. Nobody will sacrifice the blood of Igbo man again. Not anymore. Are you getting the point? This your brother, when you read this, you say, I will mother. I will mother, you know. That's why I like you. You don't take shit. You always stand on the truth. What you said here is best. Okay. So until something happened to Igbo man in the north. So what is happening to Igbo man in the Enugu state? Nah, and this write-up is one of you see, that's why I said underline the word in the north. Now, if anything happened to any man in the north, no, we are not gonna sacrifice anything anymore. Now it is enough. Enough is enough. So, what is happening to Igbo man now? Igbo man in Enugu state, in Imo state, in Anambra state, in Ebonyi state. No, it's understandable. Is that at least their blood dropping on the Igbo land. Why must their blood drop on the northern land? My people, I don't want to further this. Okay, I will just put a phone number if you want to call the video. No, this is later one. Let's see if anybody want to say anything. If not, we're gonna end it. It is funny. It is funny, but not that funny. Not that funny, but we have to laugh away. All these things. I'm just surprised with the way some people reason. No, you call this number. Call this number. Please call this one. Don't call the other line. Call this one. Call this one. Nah, you can go. Please